Do you want to start a blog but not sure which web hosting to choose? In this video, I will show you the best hosting provider for blogging in 2025. From the most affordable to the fastest and most reliable. Let's get into it. Top hosting for bloggers in 2025. First up, Hostinger. If you're just starting and want the most bang for your buck, Hostinger is the way to go. For as low as $2.99 per month, you get a free domain, SSL, and 24/7 support. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for beginners. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Number 2, Bluehost. Officially recommended by WordPress.org, it's beginner-friendly, gives you a free domain and SSL certificate, and the setup takes just minutes. Pricing starts around $2.95 per month. If you want a smooth WordPress login experience, this is a solid choice. Third, we've got SiteGround. If speed and amazing customer support matters to you, this one's worth a look. Starting at $2.99 per month, the performance and security features are top tier, great for growing blogs or serious bloggers. Here's a quick comparison. Hostinger, best for beginners and budget, starting at $2.99 a month. Bluehost, best for WordPress blogs, starting at $2.95 a month. And finally, SiteGround, best for speed and support, only at $2.99 a month. So, if you're just getting started, go with Hostinger. If you want an all-in-one solution for WordPress, Bluehost is a great pick. And if speed and support are your top priorities, SiteGround is the winner. I've left the links to all of them in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you're going with. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. See you in the next one. Tony Correa.